Kanako Uri, born September 26, 1981, is a Japanese professional wrestler. She has been signed to WWE since August 2015, where she performs on the Raw brand under the ring name Asuka. Uri is often regarded as one of the greatest women's professional wrestlers of all time. Previously known as Kana, she started her professional wrestling career in 2004 in the Autos promotion, where she remained until retiring in 2006. She returned to the ring in 2007, starting to work as a freelancer for promotions such as JWP Joshi Pure, Neo Japan Ladies Pro Wrestling Wave, Riina Joshi Pure, Smash, and Wrestling New Classic. Her achievements during this time include winning the JWP Openweight Championship, Smash Diva Championship, and Wave Tag Team Championship. In 2015, Uri signed a developmental deal with WWE, being assigned to NXT under the ring name Asuka, making her the first Japanese female wrestler signed with the company in over 20 years. She won the NXT Women's Championship in 2016 with her reign of 510 days being the longest in that title's history, then was moved to WWE's main roster in 2017. In 2018, she was the inaugural winner of the Women's Royal Rumble match. She is also a former one-time SmackDown Women's Champion, five-time WWE Women's Tag Team Champion with Kairi Sane thrice and Charlotte Flair and Alexa Bliss once each. The first woman to win this title with 3 different partners and the 2020 Women's Money in the Bank ladder match winner. Following her first Raw Women's Championship win, Asuka became the 3rd Women's Triple Crown Champion and the 2nd Women's Grand Slam Champion. She would go on to become a 3-time Raw Women's Champion, with the title renamed as WWE Women's Championship during her 3rd reign. After her Elimination Chamber match win in 2023, she became the first woman in WWE to win the Royal Rumble, Money in the Bank, and Elimination Chamber matches. Uri has also worked as a freelance graphic designer and video game journalist, and through her work with Microsoft, she has been sponsored by the company, wearing an Xbox 360 logo on her gear. Since 2019, she has her own YouTube channel, Kana-chan, which focuses on gaming and lifestyle content. Uri, working originally as a graphic designer, decided to find a new career in professional wrestling after becoming a fan of the likes of Keiji Muto, Satoru Sayama, Yoshiaki Fujiwara, Antonio Inoki, Akira Maeda, Nobuhiko Takada, Masakatsu Funaki, Falcon, and Minoru Suzuki. Trained by Yuki Ishikawa, Yuri adopted the ring name Kana and made her professional wrestling debut for all-female promotion Autos on June 16, 2004 in a match against Leona. She spent the first part of her career with Autos before suddenly retiring due to chronic nephritis on March 19, 2006. During her time away from the ring, Yuri opened her own graphic design agency. After spending a year and a half away from professional wrestling, Yuri made a comeback on September 22, 2007 and worked as a freelancer for promotions such as Ice Ribbon, JWP Joshi Pure, Neo Japan Ladies Pro Wrestling, Pro Wrestling Wave, and Pro Wrestling 01, while also forming the Passion Red stable with Nene Takahashi, Natsuki Taiyo, Rei, and Yumiko Hata in Neo, which became her new home promotion. On October 10, 2009, Kana teamed with Takahashi to defeat Hiroyo Matsumoto and Kyoko Inoue for the Neo Tag Team Championship, Kana's first professional wrestling title. They held the title for 2 months before losing it to Ayumi Kurihara and Yoshiko Tamura on December 31, 2009. On January 24, 2010, Kana quit Passion Red. Personal life, Yuri is a graduate of the Osaka University of Arts Junior College. She has written for Xbox Magazine and designed graphics for Nintendo DS and various mobile applications. She has also owned a hair salon in Yokohama named Another Heaven. She started building her own arcade game Building in Japan in July 2023. According to Becky Lynch and Naomi, Yuri is a mother. In an interview with ET Canada in 2021, Yuri detailed her own experiences with racism and shared her thoughts on the rise of anti-Asian sentiment during the COVID-19 pandemic. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.